Well, how y'all doing? It's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks, and I hope everybody's having a show enough good weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, Lord of mercy, it has been raining for the last 7 days. I mean, sure enough raining. I think Jamie checked the water gauge thing and we was at 1.5 inches of rain just yesterday. Yeah, and you hear that because it's finna come a flood again. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always gonna say that if you are new to the channel, I wanna welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, it feels like it's been a month of Sundays since I talked to y'all, but I'm finna show you what I've been doing for the last 4 days. It was a crappy job, but somebody had to do it. Give me a second and I'm finna show you. All right, look at there. Here is the water gauge. We are at 2.25 inches of rain, and that's from yesterday into this morning. And we're expecting a whole bunch more rain. So let's walk over here. I don't even know why I'm wearing sunglasses because it's not sunny outside, but you know, I like to protect the eyes. Let me show you what I've been doing for the last about 3 days. Look at there. I have been digging holes all over the place, trying to find my line for my septic system, which I actually did find it, but I have been digging holes. And when I say holes, not holes, I've been digging about 2.5, 3 foot down, trying to find this line right here. And it goes from there all the way down here underneath the water catchment system, around here, in front of the shack. And there's my overflow for my septic system right over there. Now what happened is I started having problems with the head. The commode wasn't flushing, and normally that happens when it rains a lot over here at the home in the sticks, but it got really bad. So my brother Chris Bergeron, not only is he a police officer, but he is a certified master plumber. About 17 years ago, he came over here and put in a septic system for me. And what it is, and I actually found it by digging, but the septic system is right here. And all it is he sunk 2 55-gallon drums in series. And once it gets full, of course, it'll push off into the woods as an overflow. But it hardly ever gets filled because it's just really just Jamie and I here, and it doesn't get used a lot. But anyways, I had to clear the overflow line, which I actually found and cleared Friday afternoon, or it might have been, yeah, I think it was Friday, in the rain. I was out here digging in the rain because we had to get this squared away. Well, I had to get this squared away, which I did. So septic system is now running again. I actually put some stobs in the ground to mark where the overflow line is, and I actually know now where the actual septic system is, and it's right in front of the steps of my shack. One of the big things, and of course, and I wasn't finna video any of that, but one of the big problems that I thought I was going to run into, and Chris said the same thing, we didn't remember where we actually put the septic system, because the shack wasn't sitting here 17 years ago. So we kind of thought, or Chris kind of thought, that the septic system may be underneath the shack. So I was kind of like, oh, hell to the no, that's going to be a problem right there. We're going to have to back up, punt, and figure something else out. But thank the good Lord, we found the system, which is in front of the shack. Another thing that's been going on over here, in between the rain showers, and I mean sure enough rain showers, Jamie got out here and actually took down all of the grow bag systems, which we are not going to use anymore. They were lined up over there and lined up over here, and there's Jamie over there. And she took all of that down and cleared all of the containers that were actually over there as well. So Jamie got rid of all of the containers and the system that we had to elevate all the grow bags and the containers. Again, they were right here. Blueberries are still growing real good. As a matter of fact, we're starting to get a bunch of clusters of blueberries on the tips. Not so much on the powder blues because they are 2-year blueberry bushes. But we have some more room to do stuff that we want to do. Oh, and Jamie was thinking about putting some encores on the side of the shack over there. So that's basically what we have been doing throughout the intermittent rain showers, because it's been raining a bunch over here, hasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's been raining a lot. I'm sure you can hear the thunder in the background. So it's going to be a short video. Just wanted to show you and y'all what I've been doing for the last 4 days, and that is trying to find my septic lines and clear an overflow line for the septic system. Lord have mercy. Digging in the rain, and at one point I got off of work, and 3 hours later I had my headlamp on and I was digging in the rain in the dark trying to find the septic line. Thank you, dude. So let me show you the last thing that I want to share with you and y'all today, and then we're going to drive on. The last thing that we want to share with you and y'all today is Jamie has come up with a few designs for some channel shirts, and they actually look quite good. We had looked at a few online stores to get some channel shirts made up. It's just really too expensive to do it. So come to find out, Jamie's got a friend that she works with that actually owns a t-shirt design business, or whatever you want to call it. So Jamie come up with a few designs, and let me show you what she come up with. She actually did a really good job as well. Here is one of the shirts right here. It's got the Home in the Sticks, hashtag Home in the Sticks in the front, and you're really gonna like this. Booyah! You can't let nobody dull that shine. So that's one. It's in a gray shirt, same design in the back, but just gray. And it's got the logo in the front. And the last one is this, and this is the back of the shirt. And old Dan's got to show enough represent the SIP. So we got the state and Home in the Sticks in there, and the star representing the Neshoba County, Mississippi. And the front's got the same logo as the others. Jamie did a good job on that, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, she did a really good job on designing some channel shirts. What we're gonna do is we actually have a few more designs that Jamie's working on, and we're gonna get some more designs for some more shirts done. We're just not gonna do the online stores like Teespring or places like that. For us, it's just not feasible to do it that way, especially if we have somebody locally, which I'm all about supporting small local businesses. I'd rather do business with them versus the big businesses online. So if you want a shirt, just let us know. Drop us an email at homeandthesticks@gmail.com if you are interested in purchasing a shirt, and we can go on from there and get you set up with a shirt. But those are the 3 designs that we have so far. I actually like that one myself. And you can pick and choose any color shirt that you want. I'm guessing, Jamie, we can get a list of what the color shirts we want and all that. Well, what kind of shirts are they? Who are the shirts made by?
Gildan.
Oh, okay, yeah. These are Gildan shirts, so those are good shirts, high quality shirts. These are not screen printed. They're
Laser.
They're laser decals or whatever that is. I have no clue what that is. Oh, they're laser print. So it's a good quality shirt, and I'm happy with it. And if Jamie saw it and she liked it, because she's pretty meticulous when it comes to stuff like that. She wants it done right, and she's happy with it, so it's going to be a good shirt. So again, if you're interested in a shirt, just drop us an email, and we will show enough give you all the information. These shirts are not going to be crazy high like on Teespring, where they're $28, $29 a shirt. We're trying to keep the cost down for you and y'all that may want a Home in the Sticks channel shirt, so we'll rock on from there. Well, all right, that's what old Dan wanted to share with you and y'all today. The Lord have mercy. I had to find my septic line. It was a sure enough crappy job, but I had to do it because we had to get the head working or the commode working. But it's all good now. We are just dealing with a ton of rain. Actually, I just wish the rain would move off because it's making everything sure enough muddy over here. So again, I hope everybody's having a sure enough good weekend, and I hope everybody's staying safe amid this crisis that we still have going on. If y'all like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord mercy. Y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like digging up septic tank lines and showing you and y'all some new channel shirts. With that being said, you know it's coming down reference show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It's important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.